Welcome to another 2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday. Brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the largest hands-on RV training academy in America. Hey, before we get to the video, which I know this is the reason why you're here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That way you don't miss anything. Hit the subscribe button now. Thank you. Now, back to our Tech Tip Tuesday.
Do you own a fifth wheel that has an electric leveling or stabilizer jack that is adjustable? If you do, I'd like to take a moment and make you aware of a safety concern that I have. Hi, I'm Chandler Cooper. I'm the exteriors instructor for the National RV Training Academy, and I would like to point out a safety issue that I see commonly happen with electric leveling or stabilizer jacks concerning this pin. What I often see is people will set up camp and they will pull this pin, adjust the leg down, and they just let go of it, and they expect the spring-loaded portion of this to push the pin all the way back through. And oftentimes that pin does do just that, but there are times where that pin will stop halfway through here. When that happens, all of the weight on this side of the RV is placed on this pin that is not coming all the way through. And so we run the risk of this pin shearing off, and if this pin were to shear off, then this leg does not carry any weight, which then asks the opposing leg to carry all the weight, and we often see that both jacks will fail on the front. So it is very important that when we are setting up camp, that we make sure that that pin comes all the way through and pokes out the other side. If for some reason we notice that that pin is not making it all the way through that jack leg, we need to gently reconnect back to the truck, retract the jack just a little bit so that we can push this pin all the way through, and then we can disconnect again. Safety is a huge factor in having a great camping experience, so we want to make sure that every time we disconnect or we're setting up, that that pin is all the way through. And there is your tech tip.
All right, before you get to the bloopers, which is why you're here in the first place, the RV industry needs thousands of RV technicians and inspectors, and now is the perfect time to do that. If you want to make more money or have more control over your time, go ahead and click the link below. Or if you just want to learn how to fix your own RV, got something for you there. Head over to rvtechcourse.com and get started today. Now for the reason that you're out there in the video, roll the bloopers.
It goes really bright and then dims down. I wonder if they can see that I'm looking over the camera. Happy camping. How did I step up on that?
Where do you work?
I don't even know anymore. I see a black blob on the floor.
It's okay.
No, it was terrible. I'm going to start over. And here's your tech tip.